I'm Brian DeLuca, and welcome to Make or Build It. Today we are testing out this Ryobi sander. We did some Bondo work on some of these rafters, and we're going to test out how this sander works. As you can hear, it's a little windy today. Let's get going. This Ryobi cordless sander actually did a really great job on the beams we bondoed. Overall, I'm pretty happy with its performance. Guys, make sure you like and follow Make or Build It for great other DIY projects as well as reviews. And remember, keep on making.